Right, good morning all. We're back to Java SE training and Java GU, graphical user interface, where we've been using Eclipse and we're now discussing layout managers. In the last video we did yesterday, we were able to design a program that when it is run, it displays these buttons, situated in the five regions of border layout. And when one of the buttons is clicked, all other buttons get disappeared. But today we shall solve a problem we've already stated yesterday in the last video, that we now want to develop a program such that when one of these five buttons in the five regions is clicked for the first time, what is those is that all other buttons disappeared, and when it is clicked for the second time, all buttons reappeared. The best way of solving this problem is the use of the use of what we call toggle button. Toggle button. So what I would do is to create another class, because this I would like to retain this very one. So let me create a different class from the project. I will retain it, and then I will retain the previous one, and I will create another class called border layout with toggle button. Thank you. So, and I click on it, or by done. Sorry. Instead of creating a class, I went and I created a project. I'm sorry, that's not the aim. So I'm to create a class border layout with what? Toggle button, and I need this main method. All right. So let's quickly do something here. End of the class. Thank you. I think yesterday I wrote method here, if I can recall. And this is a constructor. So we have end of the constructor. I think yesterday I wrote method here. Of course, constructor is a method, but a special one. End of the what? End of the main. End of the main method. Good. All right. So the first time here we need some variables here. Member function, member variables, private jpanel. I need panel here as an object variable, capital P, and we need to import some libraries here. Let us import the whole libraries for Swing. Okay. So I have also private now J toggle button. Okay, can you see toggle button here? So let me say BTN, let's say east, BTN east, and I need another toggle button. BTN North. I need another one, I need South. And we need West. And the last one, we need Center. And this complete the five regions. So let's initialize variables here. The panel is, we need to create a method for the panel, and we need to create a method for the, we need to create an object for the panel, object for the toggle button. Here we give it east. North and north here, right? So south, south here, what west, east is written already, west, and the last one center. These are toggle buttons. It is on and off. When you click for the first time, it gives you on. When you click for the second time, it gives you off, on and off. Good one. Here you create the object of the class. Okay. So after this, you add the buttons on. First of all, you set the panel. You set it to work with the border layout. Set layout, new border layout, right? This you set it to use border layout, is it? Panel set to use the border layout. What next? Next is we start adding component on what? On the panel. So panel.add component, right? The first component we add is what? Let's say BTN North. Okay, and then we need to add all other BTNs. East, south, west, and what? Center. But this is not how you add on border layout. You need to specify the location, right? Say comma border layout dot what? Dot north, right? Border layout dot what? East. Thank you. dot what? Dot west, right? Border layout dot center. Good, we've added all. Then we need to register all buttons. Okay, I don't think if this is necessary, unless if JVM asks us to do it. Then here, extend JFrame and implement action listener. Then you add the unimplemented method, okay, which is here. Is it? Then we need to add panel on panel. We need to add it on JFrame. Right? This is the end of the action performed method. All right. And in here, let me convert this to E. You say? For
end of the action performed.
So these are our toggle button. Let's go by e.getSource. All right. If e.getSource equals btn, let's start with center. btn center. If you select btn center, what will happen? Within it, you introduce this another if statement, nested if right, btn center dot is set selected, if it's set selected, then all other buttons for the first time, this is toggle. If you select that toggle button, then btn east, for example, dot set what? Visible true. Okay, and for the remaining 4, east, north, west, south. Center is the one working now. Else, that is the other portion of the toggle, right? When it is clicked for the second time, that's the meaning of the else. Else, it said what? False. Let's try this. I didn't set the visibility. This dot set visibility for what? For the JFrame. Thank you. True. This dot set title. What is the title? Border layout with toggle. demo, right? Toggle button, demo. This dot set resizable. Let's say true. This dot set size. Set size. What was the size yesterday we used? I think 600 by, is it 400? I think something like that. Okay, center. Okay, I didn't register the button. So let's register buttons. Okay. So in here, register buttons on the what? JFrame. So BTN center, add action listener. This only one button was registered. Can you see what is happening? Why you guys? What's wrong? All right. So let's make it this dot set location relative to null. So it comes out from the center here. And let us increase this to 100. So if you click for the first time, so it's supposed to be for the first time it disappears. For the second time it appears. Please look up what I'm saying. They are already appear, right? If I click, they appear again. When I click for the second time it starts. So let's reverse before then, because all buttons are going to be used, right? Let's register all, north, east, south, and what? West, right? So what you do is to reverse this, reverse it. Right? You see it appear, disappears, appear, disappear, appear. So you need to do this is for the first if, this is the inner if. So probably let me just copy this and paste here. So now else if, and in here let's say btn not. Okay, if not is there, then here you need to make it what? Center and what? Center. Okay, so we have another else if here. Else if not east, right? For east you make east north. Thank you. East north. Okay, and this is let's say west, and this west you need to make it what?
East.
Thank you. East. And the last one, right? South. And this you need to make it south, and then you look for what? South, you make it what? West. Thank you. Alright, so when I run and I click on center, they disappear. When I click, they appear. When I click on east, it's like there is problem with east. You say?
No, not registered.
No, they are registered. They are all registered, I think. Let me see. They are registered. Let's see. If else if it is not. What happened? You say? Oh. Yes, you're right. It is the nested if. Thank you. Thank you. That's why copy and paste in programming is not really advisable. This is not right, then you make it not. Okay, thank you. This is what east, then you make this east, and this is west, then you make it west, and this is south, then you make it south. For north, okay, for east, for south, for west. I'm looking at a way to complicate this for you so you can, maybe I will send you another assignment based on this so you can use your brain. Yes, you need to use your brains. Yeah, you shouldn't just develop this and think you're doing something. You're not doing anything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.